Guys, we got this Schumacher. It's a display model I got for same price. They didn't discount it, but who cares? It's just a review of it, seeing how it operates, and we'll see. Because this one already, I used it three. This is my third one. Keeps breaking, like it's sometimes what it does is just doesn't work. You plug it in. I'll show you right now. Plug it in. There you go. Something is. See, now it works. This light. Sometimes it doesn't. Then I plug it into the battery. None of those lights work. Which I saw online. There's plenty of people having issues. I'm sure it's water resistant, not waterproof, which is a wrong advertisement, because it was pouring rain when this guy stopped working. There's some ports that water can get in still. It was just laying flat. There was no puddle or anything, and just stopped working after that big rain. So maybe it's not waterproof, it's water resistant maybe. So I got this guy. It's pretty good. It's a SC1308. It charges standard and ANG deep cycle and deep cycle, which I really need to charge my deep cycle batteries the most of the time. Let's see this guy. Look how dusty it is. They sold me like this. I hope it works good. If not, I can always return it. So you buy at the store, and less hustle to return this kind of stuff. Because if you buy it online, then it's harder. You have to pay for shipping and all that crap. This is easier. Let's see what it does here. So we got cables. Let's see. Warranty void if removed. That sticker still there. It's good. So we got cables. Oh, this guy disconnected. All right. So let's see. It's still kind of cheap, guys. On this guy, these guys are more durable. Like it feels like thicker metal, and has a nice coating on it. This one doesn't. This one, it looks like cheap stuff, and usually they rip over there, but the metal doesn't seem like it's a thick metal. Let's see what we have here. Pretty much ANG or SD, which is I'm gonna be using on SD, and check how it works. So it does winterize, so you can plug it in and just leave it over winter, have it plugged in. It actually starts the car too, which is kind of why I got this one, because that guy doesn't start the car, obviously. So we're gonna just hook this guy up, check how this guy charges it. I'm gonna use extension today. Go extension. All right, let's go test this guy. Might be not enough. So let's plug it in. Plug it. Negative, positive on this other side of the battery. Should be good. Hope my cord is long enough. Quite a bit, just a bit. Perfect. Plugged in. So it shows me here. Shows me the voltage, and they already turned on to STD, which is the deep cycle battery. I'm gonna press this guy. This do. So this is on. I guess that's it. It's charging. So it doesn't have a kind of indicator. It's 30 amp. Doesn't actually tell me the percentage. I think when you press it should tell you percentage, right? It just shows you 12 volts. But there's always something to them. So far it's pretty good. We'll be testing it and we'll let you guys know on my next video how this guy does charge this guy's batteries. So stay tuned and we'll get back to you.